one touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking, now here for me, I ain't got it.
What's up, nail beads? Welcome back to today's tutorial. We're jumping straight in with LAGOON and FoodComa. These two colors paired together was beautifully. We also are going to be using Madam Glam application brush for a few different ways. So today we're getting into some nail art and all the ways that you can create it. So if you're new here, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss. So what I am going to be creating on these lovely press-ons from NOTPOLIsh is some nail art that is inspired by the ocean front, y'all. Now, I don't know why I'm thinking about the ocean and the beaches during winter, but I feel like rich people, hear me out, travel to hot places when it get cold. So why can't I have big dreams? Let's just move along. Also, a reminder that all products that I use is always going to be listed in the description box, so you'll never not know what products I'm using. Also, we are using gel polishes and an application brush from Madam Glam. Make sure you use my code BLESS40 to save. Save you some coins.
I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody.
I just want to step in and say a good nude is the perfect base to any gel application like nail art, French tips. A good nude is gonna devour them nail sets every time.
Like you do, I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do, you do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me then I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be with you, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out.
You guys, having the perfect opaque gel colors helps make effortlessly designs in art. like just doing this ombre was easy to pull from the blue and not like overuse the color. Like I was able to pull a little and kind of like blur that area of where I painted on the blue at. And I feel like if you don't have opaque colors, it's really hard to do. Like it starts to look see-through, it starts to like run. But this blue was like thick enough, one, consistency, and it was opaque enough for me to pull just a little. I was literally doing like feather light pulls. And I cured the first layer and I went in with another layer on top of that, and I did the same method, and it just blended so seamlessly.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind.
So I was gonna do a simple nude and blue ombre, but why do simple when we can do a little funky? So I went in, my mind just started going, and I added a little white, just tapped it on there, and then I took this same brush and I just feathered it out, kind of moved it around a little bit as you see me doing, just like super soft touches to create that splash bubble effect that the water does when it rushes up on the sand. So I'm sorry I'm a little bit out of frame, but I'm just repeating the steps, and I want to say I cured the first layer, went in with another layer, just super slightly, moving the white around, even taking my brush sideways, making some indentations, but I was mostly just blending it to make it almost like a foggy, bubbly look, but it came out so pretty to me. I absolutely love the way these nails came out.
Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you fuck with clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind.
Y'all, so tell me why this is my second attempt at even trying this water effect nail. And I still need to practice just a little bit more, but I finally got the steps correctly to like make the effect. And me trying to be like the TikTok girlies who be doing all the cool nail art and stuff, I was like, oh, I could use the gel application brush directly from the bottle. And here's why I can't. Because, like, girl, if you don't use that dotting tool, so I went ahead and wiped it off. And I ain't taking out no mistakes no more, so y'all just gonna see me have to wipe stuff off and try again. So I was like, oh, I could just go ahead and I was like, no, girl, wipe this off. I went ahead and wiped it off, which it didn't harm nothing. I went back in, did the same steps, and I loved how it came out the second time because we gonna try again.
I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last, I'm no wiping her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after hit, call me very fun. For this Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof off the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OTF, look like the new BML. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. And you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep it spell. Wanna stop because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Young Sky Explorer, smoothly in a present. 150 flying, bitch, you mellow. But they got me to the temp, because I spit that flavor to the temp. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a tip. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I gon'
So with this nail art, I kind of threw it in, but it was definitely giving me like a water snake vibes. Don't judge me, it's just my mindset. But I absolutely love the way this tied into everything. So random nail art, but still very pretty. I feel like I made like a snake design. Don't judge me, okay? I was just like, okay, how can I tie this in real quick? And I love the way it came out. Blooming gel to me can do no wrong. Like slap some blooming gel on there and do some marble, do some croc nails, do some, just blooming idea roses, anything, check me out in the next video. But I'm just saying, blooming gel can do no wrong to me. Let's get into the real tea. How long does it take you to paint a French tip? I don't know. I feel like I'm fast at this, but I feel like I'm not, right? So I started painting this French tip at 15 minutes exactly, right? So I did the technique that I've always used. I draw an A with a line across, swoop it in right in the middle. And I love the way this French tip came out, by the way, because it really came out perfect. But just watch, y'all. I counted it, and it took me 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Is that a lot of time to draw a French tip? Like, let me know, because by the end of me drawing this, it's going to be 19 something and 1936. That is 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Am I tripping, or is that long, or is that short? How long does it take y'all to draw a French tip? Let me know, sis. So like I said, 4 minutes and 36 seconds. I don't know if that's long or fast or whatever. I added a few little bit more details, but I'm going to jump into the next nail art. So here's the thing. I've just became comfortable with drawing over my French tip nail art. So for instance, I felt like French tips should stand out by themselves. Like, why are you putting art over French tip? Like, my mind just couldn't look or grab the concept of like putting croc over French tip, all that. I just started doing that, like drawing other art over the French tip, even squiggly lines. my mind was just like, oh, French tips are very critique on doing, like, don't you want to show off the French tip? But the thing is, like, these clouds, they eat over French tip. And on top of that, it just adds another vibe to the French tip. Like, it adds like a spark to it. And I don't know why I was so, like, my anxiety was so high over doing nail art over French tips. Now, look, y'all, this the real tea. I'm about to use the same brush. And I usually use a different kind of application item to pull down my clouds to create that cloud effect. And I'm using the same brush I've been using to create the ombre effect, to create the ocean effect. Look at them clouds. So we're about to finish this ocean nail, and basically what I wanted to do was create like a beachfront. So I was going to do some of them pearls up there, and I changed my mind because I felt like they were too bulky to be sitting up there like straight up next to each other. So I went in with some she shells. Oh, Lord, she shells. Y'all, tongue twister, okay? But charm placement was always kind of difficult for me at first. But once I understood there's no such thing as the right or perfect placement, like you just kind of have to like move them around and catch the vibe when you're doing the nails. Like I was like, oh, this charm has to sit here. And sometimes my mind just will not let stuff go. And I have to over time just like, oh, like just forget about it. Like just do it. And one thing I love about creating like beachfront nails, what is wrong with me, is that you can create like a cluster of things sitting on like technically the beachfront. So that's what I did with the star and the she shells, Lord have mercy, and the diamonds and the pearls. So everything just came out like all together really good for that beachfront nail.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
And there we have it, nail bees, a stunning ocean beachfront inspired press-ons. I used Madam Glam gel polish and some blooming gel along with the application brush. With these simple steps, I'm sure you can transfer your nails into a stylish accessory that promotes your creativity, girl. I promise you. And nail bees, don't forget to share and tag me in your recreations so I can see them. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.
step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out.